Yo, what up, S Mafia? YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever you came from to watch this video. I appreciate you. Hit that like button, subscribe, join the SB Mafia. We got some cool merch that we dropped. And yeah, so we have a cool review for you today. Something that I normally don't do. But here we got, it's a black box. It is an Air Max 95 Big Bubble QS2 Sail Metallic Silver. It is a very, very talked about sneaker right now out there in the world. So let me show you what we got. So inside the box we have here your 711 Air Max 95 Big Bubble. All right, so this right now, this shoe is very controversial because of the lawsuit that 711 just came out suing Nike for using their colorway that they have trademarked. So supposedly these three colors together, you are not allowed. They are patented by 711 that you cannot put these three colors together anywhere. I'll post a patent right over here. But yeah, so these are your 711 colorway. So these shoes became very controversial and hard to get now. When I saw that this lawsuit happened, I went right away onto the secondary. I went on StockX. I'm like, let me see what they're going for. They were $20 under retail. So I took a snapshot right over here and I decided, let me grab a pair. You know, I grabbed my pair. I called up a couple of my friends. I'm like, listen, I recommend you guys grab yourself a pair now. They're $20 under retail. And the one did. The other one asked me to do it. So I grabbed it for him and I saw express shipping was only $1 more. So I'm like, you know what? Let me do the express shipping. Luckily, I did that because my pair, the seller saw the price going up, up, up. Same thing with my other friend. His pair, the price kept going up. So both of ours, the seller canceled on us. All right. So they're looking for a new seller. We have until July 20th to get our money back. But the express shipping pair came directly from StockX and got here today. So this pair, I believe, went from, it was like $194 I paid for it, and now it's up over $500 over a couple days because of that whole lawsuit. But yeah, this shoe, the materials are really nice on this shoe. This is part of a convenience store pack that's supposed to be coming out July 11th, 7-Eleven. So this is something Nike does. They put inspired by. I don't know how you feel about that. Like, I wish Nike would take the money, put it into a collaboration with a brand like this, so we could actually get like a 7-Eleven logo right here, or on the back heel. It'd be nice to have something like that. You have your gum bottom right here. Also, it comes with these red laces. And if you saw the insoles, I'll take them out. Man, my eye just got itchy. All right, so yeah, I'll take this insoles out. I'll show you what they look like in a little while. You put them together and it forms a picture. But yeah, me personally, I wish Nike would do collaborations more and not just use inspired by. Pay the company, their profit, whatever they need out of it. But give us what we want. We want a Freddy SB. We want a 711 Air Max. What else was there? There's been so many shoes that Nike could have done that they just don't pay to collaborate with. But they try to use that, get by using inspired. But you're going to drop a 7-Eleven shoe on 7-Eleven and try to say it's not a 7-Eleven colorway, but you call it a convenience store pack. And like literally, we'll show the insole. It is convenience store shelving on there. But let's take a look on the other pair, if there's anything on the other shoe. All right, so what we have here, and I'm just noticing this for the first time, you have a little label that says color migration. So right here on the tag, on the laces are pretty dope, but man, look at that suede. I don't know if you can see it, if the camera picks it up, but that suede is so damn nice. Like, this is a nice shoe, honestly. Even if this wasn't a 7-Eleven pair, this is something I would grab for the collection. But yeah, so same thing. I don't know what's going to happen with the shoe. I don't know if it's going to release at any other locations. I hope it does come out so you guys have a chance. I know there's that Lawson pair. I'll put a picture of it over here. But that Lawson pair is supposed to come out around the same time, I believe. But I don't know if Lawson is suing Nike too. There hasn't been any word on that. And I haven't seen, it's supposed to be at Miss Japan. But I haven't seen it put out anywhere. So no raffles yet or anything. And it's only a couple days away. So this would have been great. Going, wearing this to your 7-Eleven, grabbing your free Slurpee on Free Slurpee Day. You know, but unfortunately, many of us won't be able to. I'm not reaching back for that 13 if I can't find a seller, because I'm not paying over $400 or $500 for this, personally. You know, $195 I was fine with, but $500 for that, nah, I'm good. But you know, to each their own. You know, if you guys are interested, you want this, go back, grab it, and let's take a look. So let's pull out the insoles. And by the way, this pair, if you're watching the video, congratulations to my friend Moondust Studios. If you guys don't follow him on Instagram, you guys are missing out. Go check it out. He made, I'll post a picture here, a 7-Eleven box for the 7-Eleven SBs. He does custom boxes. He does awesome stuff. He just came out with a soccer ball for the World Cup. Yeah, he just came out with a soccer ball for the World Cup. So highly recommend it. Let's take a look at the insoles. So yeah, so Moondust, this is your pair if you're watching. I didn't tell you, you think it got canceled, but your pair actually came. So congratulations out of the three of us. So here you go. Insole 1. I'm gonna try to do this video in one take too. I'm trying to, you know, no cuts, no edits. Might be 1 or 2 in there, but I'm trying to not do too much. But let's take a look. So we have here your insoles. All right, look at that. If that doesn't say convenience store, you got the shelving right there. So like I said, this was just another way of Nike trying to get around things by not paying the brand. So like I said, hopefully for the future they start doing it. Nike, come on. You know, we want you guys to succeed. We want to get the stuff we want and, you know, be happy. You know, I don't need all this inspired by. Just give me something that says Nightmare on Elm Street, that says 7-Eleven, that says anything. You know, it would be really cool. But yeah, I can't do it on feet. I can do it on hand. Hold on. So it's a little snug on hand. So I go a little half size up. Nah, I'm kidding. But yeah, so like I said, these aren't mine, so they're too small for me. I would need a 13 in these, but I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. You know, is this something you guys want? Are you hoping it comes out? Are you done with it? You're not going to go for it because of the prices? Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, we do lives a couple days a week. You know, talk about what's coming out, do some cool reviews, and yeah, so subscribe, hit that like button on this video, and I hope to see you guys soon for another one. All right, peace out, everyone. Later.